Mr. RPS Malhotra. Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi, and nobody is saying a word about Parali burning in Punjab.
Well, you see, the Congress government in Punjab so far has failed miserably on all fronts. And what to talk of Parali burning, this comes, I think, last of all for them. The promises that they made holding Gutka Sahib in their hand, they didn't even fulfill those promises. What can we say about Parali burning? This is basically the responsibility of the government, firstly, to sensitize people about the perils of Parali burning, and then to provide them the equipment or to subsidize it. What have they done so far for this? So it is the government which has to initiate a change. What have our governments done for this? So I hold the Congress government and the previous governments squarely responsible for this problem.
But the AAP has also toned down. The AAP has also toned down its criticism of Parali burning this time around, sir. They have said about what they have done. The Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi has said what they have done around the Delhi region. But they have steered clear of saying anything. Is it because of votes? And also today...
It's not because of votes. You cannot blame a party which is neck deep in debt and people are committing suicides day in and day out, and you put further pressure on them. I think that's not fair. It is the government that has to take the initiative, and you see the Delhi government has taken an initiative. They have created a technology with the help of Pusa Institute which can dissolve stubble in 20 days. So, and they are sensitizing people all around Delhi. So when we come to power in Punjab and in other states, we are going to promote this technology, and this is dirt cheap. The government has to take the initiative.
But this is not an election issue for you. You have not, as the AAP, which is trying to stake claim in Punjab, has not made this an election issue. They have not turned around and said that Parali burning is wrong this time as aggressively as they said in 2019.
Well, you see,
and the other thing is,
nobody says.
And the other question I want to ask you is, your reaction on this decision by Charanjit Channi government to reward the 83 accused of those who defiled Delhi, those who insulted the tricolour, and those who went ahead and assaulted and created a situation of anarchy at the Red Fort, a national heritage monument.
Well, you see, firstly, nobody intended to insult the tricolour, and there was no insult to the tricolour. And the farmers, they fell in a trap laid by the central government and the Delhi police. They were leading their procession peacefully and in a very disciplined manner. They were misled. It was a conspiracy against them. So you cannot say that
Mr. RPS Malhotra, there are 83 people who are accused of arson and rioting. 83 people who are accused of chasing down policemen of the Delhi police, beating them with lathis and chasing them into a ditch, climbing up the ramparts of the Red Fort, which is again illegal. They are accused and they are being rewarded. Do you agree with them being rewarded?
No, you see, in any situation, the real culprit is the person who initiates a wrong action. So the initiator here was the Delhi police, which at multiple places misled the procession. And what follows that, you cannot blame
Mr.
the people who react
Mr. Malhotra, today I am very, the case is proven. There's a term in mathematics which is said QED, quod erat demonstrandum. When it is demonstrated, it is proven. Our whole idea is that this is political compulsions, that there is no aggression about what is being done, because every party today has taken to...
It is the initiator. It is the initiator who is first at fault and most at fault.
Did the Delhi police tell somebody to climb the ramparts of the Red Fort and then bring down a national flag and put up the...
And
also it is a wrong placement of the Nishan Sahib. A Nishan Sahib is supposed to be on top of a Gurudwara or a religious place.
Why did can I speak? Why did the Delhi police not stop them on the way? Why were they allowed? There are pictures, there are videos where Delhi police is sitting on the chairs. What were they doing there?
Sir,
So
Sir, there
it
was
was
the
a
signal was not
conspiracy.
working. The signal was not working. That's why I was working. I decided to break the signal and go at full speed and ram into a car. So blame the signal which was not working.
Sorry.
Is
No,
exactly
it
what
was
you are
not.
saying, sir.
It's not that simple.
So
Sir,
there
it's not
were
that
thousands
simple.
of there were thousands of
it
people, but
was-
there are 83 accused. Rewarding 83 accused, how is it
you-
fair
you
when
know-
there
you
is
know
not a
how
single
police-
FIR?
You know
on
how
a
police
single
works in
FIR?
our country.
No, no.
Well,
against
we
the-
all know. Well, we all know how police works in our country.
No, Mr. Malhotra.
90%
Mr.
90%
Malhotra,
of the FIRs fall
Mr.
flat,
Malhotra,
and you will see in this case also.
Sir, like I said, QED, you are all in a tough position because any word, anything that you were to say, which is the right thing to say, could politically backfire
No,
for you
sorry,
and it can turn out
I'm
long
sorry,
on ground. Sir,
I
how
beg
can
to
you say कि
disagree.
जिन्होंने पुलिस वालों को दौड़ा के खड्डे में गिरवाया, उनको अगर गिरफ्तार किया, उनको 2 लाख रुपए सन्नी सरकार दे रही है, आप कह रहे कोई गलत नहीं है, गलती पुलिस की
अरे
है।
यार, आप अगर किसी को ट्रैप में लाके घेर लोगे तो वो क्या
आप
करेगा?
कह रहे हैं कि
React नहीं
चरणजीत चन्नी
करेगा।
जो कर रहे हैं ठीक कर रहे हैं।
चरणजीत चन्नी जो कर रहे हैं, देखिए वो ये उनकी सरकार का नजरिया है, लेकिन मैं ये महसूस करता हूं कि फार्मर्स की कोई गलती नहीं थी। उनके खिलाफ साजिश की गई, उनको ट्रैप में फंसाया गया, उनको गलत रास्ते पे
किस फार्मर ये इसको गिरफ्तार किया है जो चढ़ के गया ऊपर रेड फोर्ट पर इलीगली? क्यों इसको किसने जबरदस्ती की कि आप चढ़ के जाओ, उधर जाओ और जो कर रहे हो करो? किसने
वहां
कहा?
पे मॉब
रेड फोर्ट पे जाने को किसी ने नहीं कहा था।
देखिए वहां पे लाखों लोग हैं, लाखों में से कितनी परसेंटेज चढ़ गई वहां पे? आप ये भी तो देखिए। हर एक बंदे पे कंट्रोल नहीं, और वो जो
चढ़े जिन्होंने गलती की उनको आप 2 लाख रुपए इनाम दे रहे हो और आप कह रहे हो उसमें देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग। 1 मिनट, हरीश खुराना हैज नॉट स्पोकन। हरीश खुराना हैज नॉट स्पोकन। Mr. Malhotra, Harish Khurana, so no FIR for Parali burning, 2 lakh rupees reward for rioters, and we have the Shiromani Akali Dal and Aam Aadmi Party. You heard them. I don't want to say anything more than that. Will you speak up? Because even the BJP is quiet in Punjab.
No, Anand. First of all, when we are talking about Delhi pollution, this is Aam Aadmi Party who has to give a lot of answers. Problem is, the statement of Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi is something else, and Aam Aadmi Party government, Aam Aadmi Party Punjab statement is something else. Today, when we talk about the Parali burning and stubble burning in Punjab, 18,000 of the total number you have given, 18,000 cases are coming from Sangrur only, and the member of parliament from Sangrur is Bhagwant Mann. So there is no responsibility of the local MP also to ask the people not to burn the stubble over there. Secondly, Mr. Malhotra had just said that Delhi government has innovated one biochemical capsule and they have done in Delhi. I'll give you a small RTI of mine, which is this: 40,000 rupees is the total cost of composer capsule, which was the cost of the 40,000. 22 lakhs, Anand, you will surprised to know it. 22 lakh is the total cost of distributing that capsule, that biodecomposer. This is the RTI which I am showing to your viewers, and you will surprise. 15 crore 31 lakh is the total advertisement cost incurred on doing this. So this is the seriousness of Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi. Just a mere showing that we have done a lot of things for the people, but end of the day, they have done nothing. Secondly, you have said about the Channi sir, what he has said, what he has done. हम तो शुरू से कहते आ रहे हैं, आम आदमी पार्टी एंड कांग्रेस का हाथ दंगाइयों के साथ. We believe those were not the farmers. They were actually dangais.
But the point is, sir, the BJP is also mute in Punjab. You are not out on the streets trying to say that don't burn Parali. You are not out on the streets saying why is this being allowed? Where is the noise? Everybody is quiet because सबको पता है उठना पड़ेगा.
Our local unit.
So यहाँ पे ये है कि दंगाइयों को रिवॉर्ड करो, पराली बर्न करने वालों को के सामने चुप रहो, तभी हमारे वोट मिलेगा. सरकार बनानी है हमको, इनको जो करना करे. 15 दिन का है, दला गम घुटता है, कुछ लोग मरेंगे, कुछ लोगों को अस्थमा होगा, कुछ लोग अस्पताल में पड़े रहेंगे, उसके बाद भूल जाएंगे, अगले साल के देख लेंगे, तब देखेंगे.